Welcome to our series, Live Longer, by cleaning these 5 body parts. In episode 1, we're diving into something most people forget every morning, the tongue. This small step in your hygiene routine could have a massive impact on your health and longevity. Stay until the end to learn how to clean it properly and why it matters more than you think. The tongue, the overlooked guardian of your oral and overall health. As a healthcare professional, I often see patients meticulously brushing their teeth, flossing diligently, and even using mouthwash regularly. However, there's one part of the mouth that's frequently overlooked in daily hygiene routines, the tongue. Despite its essential role in taste and speech, the tongue is often neglected, which can lead to serious health consequences. What many people don't realize is that the tongue hosts a thriving ecosystem of over 700 different types of bacteria. These microorganisms accumulate on its surface, forming a biofilm that not only causes bad breath and contributes to tooth decay, but can also lead to more severe systemic infections if they enter the bloodstream. In fact, poor tongue hygiene can compromise your oral microbiome and become a gateway for inflammation and illness throughout the body. Cleaning the tongue is not merely about fresh breath, though that's one of the most immediate and noticeable benefits. It also enhances your sense of taste by clearing away the buildup that dulls your taste buds. Over time, you'll find that food tastes more flavorful and your appetite becomes more satisfying and balanced. From a clinical perspective, tongue hygiene also plays a critical role in preventing plaque accumulation and gum disease. When left unaddressed, bacterial buildup on the tongue can reintroduce harmful pathogens to freshly brushed teeth, undermining your efforts in oral care. It becomes a cycle. Clean teeth paired with a dirty tongue is like washing only half your face. To maintain a healthy tongue, I strongly recommend using a tongue scraper, a simple, inexpensive tool designed specifically for this purpose. Start at the back of the tongue and gently pull forward, rinsing the scraper after each pass. Do this once in the morning and again at night. If a tongue scraper is not available, a soft, bristled toothbrush can be used instead, though it may not be as effective in removing deeper buildup. Consistency is key. Just as brushing your teeth and flossing are daily non-negotiables, cleaning your tongue should be an integral part of your routine. The optimal times are right after you wake up and before bed, when bacterial accumulation tends to peak. In summary, taking care of your tongue is not a minor detail. It is a major component of holistic oral hygiene and general wellness. A clean tongue helps reduce harmful bacteria, supports your immune system, improves digestion, and boosts your confidence with fresh breath. Treat your tongue with the same care and attention as the rest of your mouth, and you'll be rewarded with a healthier body and a brighter smile. So the next time you reach for your toothbrush, don't forget your tongue. This small act can make a big difference. Welcome back to Live Longer by cleaning these 5 body parts. In episode 2, we're talking about your feet, one of the most overlooked but most important parts of your body. Trust me, what you learn today could prevent infections, pain, and even life-altering complications down the road. Foot care, the foundation of your health, balance, and mobility. As a healthcare consultant, I often emphasize that true wellness starts from the ground up, literally. Our feet are the unsung heroes of daily life, supporting the full weight of our bodies, guiding our movements, and maintaining our balance. Yet, they are among the most neglected parts when it comes to personal care. Foot hygiene is especially critical because the feet are vulnerable to a host of problems, ranging from fungal infections and bacterial overgrowth to circulation issues and skin breakdown. These risks are amplified in older adults and individuals living with diabetes, for whom a small wound or untreated infection can lead to severe complications, including ulcers and even amputation in extreme cases. Caring for your feet isn't just about aesthetics. It's a vital component of physical health and independence. Regular foot hygiene promotes better balance, reduces inflammation and pain, and helps prevent common ailments such as athlete's foot, calluses, cracked heels, and more serious dermatological or vascular issues. When your feet are clean, moisturized, and free of irritation, you're less likely to alter your gait or posture due to discomfort, which helps preserve joint and back health in the long term. So how should you properly clean and care for your feet? Start by washing them daily with warm water and a gentle soap. Pay close attention to the areas between the toes where moisture and dead skin tend to accumulate. This is a common breeding ground for fungi and bacteria. Use a soft washcloth to clean thoroughly but gently. Avoid soaking your feet for long periods, especially if you have sensitive or diabetic skin, as this can dry them out or make them more prone to infection. After washing, it's crucial to dry your feet completely. Moisture left between the toes can quickly lead to fungal growth, particularly in warm, enclosed environments like shoes. Pat the skin dry carefully with a soft towel, making sure to get between each toe. Next, apply a high-quality moisturizer to the soles and tops of the feet to maintain skin elasticity and prevent cracking. However, never apply lotion between the toes, as this can trap moisture and create an ideal environment for fungal growth. Incorporating foot care into your daily self-care routine pays off more than most people realize. Beyond hygiene, it becomes an act of preventive medicine, especially for those at risk of neuropathy, circulation issues, or skin breakdown. For individuals with diabetes, daily foot checks should also become a habit, watching for any changes in color, swelling, or small wounds that may go unnoticed due to reduced sensation. Your feet quite literally carry you through life. Treating them with the care they deserve is not only a matter of comfort, it's a critical investment in your mobility, your safety, and your long-term health. Never underestimate the power of clean, healthy feet. When they are well cared for, you feel more grounded, more stable, and more in control of your physical well-being. Step by step. Underarm Care. Detox support starts here. When we think about hygiene, the underarms often get reduced to just a quick swipe of deodorant. But as a health consultant, I encourage a deeper understanding of why this area deserves special attention. Your underarms are not just a source of body odor. They're also home to a concentration of lymph nodes, which are vital components of the body's natural detoxification system. These lymph nodes are part of the lymphatic system, which works tirelessly to remove waste, toxins, and harmful pathogens from the body. Proper hygiene in the underarm area supports this crucial function by keeping the skin clean, pores open, and inflammation at bay. When underarm hygiene is neglected, sweat, bacteria, dead skin, and product residue can accumulate. This not only leads to unpleasant odors, but can also block pores, irritate the skin, and potentially impair lymphatic drainage. For people with sensitive skin, this can result in rashes, darkening, or even painful cysts and infections. By establishing a gentle, consistent cleansing routine, you help your body's immune system function more effectively, while also feeling fresher and more confident throughout the day. Here's how to take proper care of your underarms. Start by gently washing your underarms during your daily shower using a soft cloth or your fingertips. Use gentle circular motions to stimulate blood and lymphatic flow while loosening any buildup of sweat or dead skin. A mild, fragrance-free soap is best, especially if you have sensitive skin, as heavily scented or harsh cleansers can disrupt the skin's pH and cause irritation. After rinsing, pat the area dry with a clean towel. Avoid vigorous rubbing, which can lead to micro tears and sensitivity. Let the skin breathe for a few minutes before applying deodorant or antiperspirant. This allows the pores to remain open and reduces the likelihood of buildup or irritation from the product. If you use natural deodorants or are detoxing from traditional antiperspirants, you may experience an adjustment period. During this time, maintaining excellent hygiene is even more important as your body rebalances and flushes out stored toxins. Additionally, exfoliating the underarms once or twice a week using a mild scrub or natural ingredients like baking soda and coconut oil can help keep the area fresh, prevent clogged pores, and lighten pigmentation over time. Caring for your underarms is about more than odor control. It's about respecting and supporting one of your body's most vital detox pathways. When you treat this area with care and awareness, you're not just feeling better, you're contributing to your overall immune health, skin resilience, and daily comfort. Most of us rarely give our nose a second thought until it's stuffy, dry, or irritated. But what many people don't realize is that this small, often overlooked part of our face serves as one of the body's most important defense systems. Every single day, the average person inhales more than 10,000 liters of air, And with that comes dust, allergens, bacteria, and countless other particles that we don't see, but our nose quietly filters out. Think of your nose as your body's natural air purifier. It moistens, warms, and filters the air before it enters your lungs. But when nasal passages become dry, inflamed, or clogged with mucus and debris, this protective barrier weakens. That's when more harmful particles make their way into your system, increasing your risk of allergic reactions, sinus infections, and even disturbed sleep. So, how do we take care of this vital yet underappreciated organ? Daily nasal cleansing is a great place to start. A gentle rinse with warm water or a saline spray can wash away pollen, dust, and excess mucus, helping to keep the nasal passages clear and hydrated. Some people also find comfort in using a neti pot, a traditional device that gently channels warm saline solution through the nostrils, flushing out buildup and offering a deep sense of clarity. In moments when dryness or congestion sets in, especially during allergy season or in dry indoor air, steam inhalation can bring much needed relief. A bowl of hot water, a few drops of eucalyptus or peppermint essential oil, and a towel to trap the steam are all you need. Breathing in that warm, fragrant mist not only soothes irritated tissues, but also helps loosen stubborn mucus. And for those times when your nose feels especially dry, such as during winter or after spending time in air-conditioned rooms, a touch of moisture goes a long way. A small amount of coconut oil or vitamin E oil applied gently inside the nostrils can prevent cracking and soothe sensitive skin, keeping your nasal tissue supple and comfortable. Taking care of your nose might seem like a minor detail in your daily routine, but its impact is anything but small. A clean, well-maintained nose means easier breathing, fewer allergy flare-ups, better sleep, and stronger protection for your lungs and overall health. Your breath is the foundation of your vitality, so treat your nose with the care it deserves. It's not just a part of your face, it's the silent guardian of every breath you take. It's one of the smallest, quietest parts of your body, and yet the belly button, navel, plays a surprisingly big role in your overall hygiene. Most people never think about it. You wash your face, your hands, your feet, but your navel? Often forgotten. And that's where problems begin. Your belly button is essentially a small enclosed pocket of skin. That makes it the perfect place for sweat, dead skin cells, soap residue, and even fibers from your clothing to collect. Over time, if not cleaned regularly, this warm, damp area can become a breeding ground for bacteria and fungi, leading to unpleasant odors, skin irritation, or even infections. So why is it important to keep your navel clean? First, doing so helps prevent body odor and keeps your overall hygiene in check. A clean belly button also supports healthy skin in the abdominal area, reducing the risk of rashes or irritation, especially if you sweat a lot or live in a humid climate. The good news? Keeping your navel clean is simple and takes only a few moments during your regular bathing routine. If your navel is shallow or more exposed, a soft, wet washcloth is often enough. Gently wipe the area with warm water during your shower or bath, making sure to clean the folds around the skin without scrubbing too hard. For those with an innie or deeper belly button, you may need a bit more precision. A cotton swab dipped in warm water or mild soap can help reach into the crevices. Gently swirl the swab inside the navel, being careful not to irritate the skin. Rinse with clean water to remove any soap residue. Just as important as the cleaning itself is what you do afterward. Make sure to dry the area thoroughly. A moist navel, especially when left damp under clothing, can quickly become a hotspot for microbial growth. Use a clean towel or tissue to pat the area dry. It may seem like a small detail, but maintaining a clean belly button is part of a balanced hygiene routine that contributes to your overall health. The body works as a whole, and sometimes it's the little hidden places that make the biggest difference when it comes to staying fresh, healthy, and confident. So next time you're in the shower, take a moment for this often overlooked spot. Your body will thank you.